Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. And we're pretty much going nowhere. Basically, what's happened is we have just gone sideways and continued going sideways from last week. So still no reason to be jumping into this. 8-hour oscillators are sort of easing off quite nicely. So that's a positive sign for the bulls. We are in an uptrend, as you can see. But at the moment, this range from last week is pretty much, we're just continuing along it. So level to downside to watch is 34,869 or 34,870. And level to the upside is pretty much this zone here of 35,150. And you can see you obviously want to look at the extreme top, which is 35,196. So yeah, that's kind of the structure that we have in place, and until you break that structure, you know, the price action is in a range, and the textbook way of trading a range is wait for the break and trade the retest. So, and that's exactly what I intend doing today. If we'll wait for the range to break. If a range is not going to break, it's been there for a week, so it's a pretty strong range. It's going to take quite a bit of effort to break through it one way or another. You know, we are below the moving averages at the moment. Oscillators group the upside, so we've got kind of a bit of divergence between the two indicators that we're using here. So yeah, that's another reason why you don't want to trade this. You get a lot of confusing signals, and you've got a 50% chance of getting it right. So the shorter you are in a range, shorter amount of time you are in the range, and you sort of in an uptrend. So we moved up in an uptrend. You look for like less than 20 bars in a range, then you can anticipate a continuation. But when you've got this many bars in a range, and let's just take it from here, because, well, actually from here, because that's the start of it there. So at the moment, we have 113 bars, 1 hour bars in a range. That is an extended range. So as far as I'm concerned, with the bottom of range, we should be looking for a move back to the upside. But you know, anything can happen. So we could come up and look at this mid of the range here. So that's 3,500. We could reject that. That lines up with the moving averages, and then bomb down. So yeah, that's what I'll be waiting for. Waiting for the bottom of the range to be broken and tested, and my oscillators to be to the upside before even looking at a short scalp on this. So for me, I'm definitely looking for an opportunity to buy. But we'll wait this one out. I don't see anything right now that is going to give me a warm and fuzzy feeling for a long entry on this. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.